So today's lesson is Chapter 1, Section 1, Variables and Expressions. We need to read page 5 and 6. An algebraic expression is something that has operations, add, subtract, multiply, divide, and numbers and variables. If it just has numbers and operations, it's a numerical expression. If it has variables, it becomes an algebraic expression. So some examples: 2x, 2 plus x, 2x, 2 divided by x, things like that. A term is a number, a variable, or a product, or quotient of numbers and variables. A power, on terms, if you see a plus sign or a minus sign, you've got more than one term. Anytime you have a plus sign or a minus sign, it separates your terms. A power is a base, a big number, raised to an exponent. That's the little number. And what that means is if I have 2 to the third power, that is 2 times 2 times 2. Multiply, times 2 times 3. You need to copy the blue box on page 6. On Wednesday, we'll talk about some other ways to say some of these other operations, because that blue box is not exhaustive. There's lots of other ways to say some of these operations. When you write a verbal expression, you're changing math to words. And there's usually more than one way to say it. You can say added, you can say plus, you can say increased, you can say more than. We're saying subtraction, we can say subtraction, we can say less than, or we can say 6 less 5, which is 6 minus 5. That would be the same thing as 6 minus 5, or 5 less than 6. That 5 less than, that's the tricky one. That's the one that screws people up. So this expression, 16u squared minus 3. Or 16 times u squared minus 3, or the difference of the product of 16 u to the second power and 3, or 3 less than the product of 16 u squared. And there's several other ways we could say that problem. Now, when you write an algebraic expression, you're changing words to math. And there's only one proper way to write that. So if I have the product of 6 and b and 6 and b, that means 6 times b. Ignore that email alert. You should have turned that off before I record this. Yes. 1/3 of area A. 1/3 A. Anytime it says a fraction of something, it means you multiply by that fraction. Short notes. So, your homework is page 7, 1 through 33 all. Make sure you write the problem and then the answer, because if you write the problem and then you have the answer, you've got something to see what you started from and what you ended with. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.